What is up, you guys? Welcome to the App Rocket's first video, how to create an app, how to edit an app, how to delete an app. In this video, you're pretty much going to learn straightforward how to basically create an app, and once you get the hang of it, you will be creating apps in under 5 minutes. It's really not that hard and not that simple. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, so for all you people who are just tuning into this video, some of you may have already pointed your DNS or subdomains towards the App Rocket. Now, that works perfectly, but here's the thing. We just rolled out a new update. Basically, all you need now is a snippet of code hosted on your host, like a simple cPanel will do. And you can actually create unlimited apps from the cPanel, paste the code, so you don't have to wait that 24 to 48 hours for the subdomain or DNS to update, which pretty much sucks, to be honest with you. So this basically is instant for you. Highly recommend to point all your domains and subdomains back towards your cPanel server and have it set up over there so you can easily upload a small file for future purposes. Alright, so first things first, you want to go under apps, create a new app, click on it. Now you're going to want to keep this tab open. Now you want to go back to your cPanel, have your cPanel open, log in already, or pretty much whatever. Go to the main page of your cPanel, scroll down all the way to domains. Now you can have add-on domains. Basically, you use the full domain with the App Rocket. I don't recommend doing that since you can use subdomains and create unlimited domains if you have your host provides unlimited subdomains. So click on it. Your subdomain can be whatever you want for the purpose of this video. I'm just going to put something like Yahoo. Document root does not matter, so just hit create. Just Host is sort of slow. If you were wondering, I do not host the App Rocket on Just Host. I'd be insane to do so. Alright, cool. Now, if you want to go down to your subdomain, yahoo.experimentz.com, I'm actually going to copy that, go right back to the App Rocket, paste it, and that's for your domain. I'm going to close that since it's going to open a new window. Go back to your cPanel, hit under document root, hit this link so you can go straight to the cPanel file manager. And you need an empty space. Sigbin is okay, or CGI bin is okay. Keep this tab open because later we're going to upload that file I was talking about. So go back to the App Rocket. Now you notice you need an app ID and app secret. That is from Facebook. So let's go to Facebook Developer Center. It's developers.facebook.com. If you do not have a developer's account yet, it's simple and easy to sign up for one. Basically, you need a verified telephone number or credit card. They would never charge you, so don't worry about that, but telephone, very simple. Alright, hit apps. And now you want to hit create a new app. Now the app domain, app name, I named it Yahoo, so Yahoo Demo App. I'm just going to name it that. App namespace, you do not need since you're not going to have a canvas URL. Hit continue, small captcha code. Alright, cool. Now, right here where it says Yahoo Demo App or whatever you put as the title, it's going to say the app ID and app secret. Now, this is what you need. So copy. Oops. If there is a space, just delete it. And the app secret. Paste it. And now back to here. You're actually going to have two required settings on this page. This is a must needed for the app to actually work. Where it says app domain, if you want to go back here and copy and paste this straight to that box. You really need this for the app to work. And where it says website, put http:// your app domain. Hit save changes, and you are done with the Facebook settings. It was that quick. Now just hit continue. Now you're on the page for permissions and additional details. Step 2, app title. You're the only one who's going to see this app title, so you don't really need to change it. But like say right here in the drop down menu, this is the app title. You're going to need it to identify each app. So I would just leave it the same. It's no big deal. Redirect URL is the URL where people are redirected to after they added the app. This could be a sales page, your business page, whatever page you want. For the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to put yahoo.com since I named the app Yahoo. And this is just a demo. Alright, app permissions. This is the power of the App Rocket. If you want to collect emails and integrate the emails with the App Rocket, you're going to have to hit collect emails. If you want to publish on their stream, basically publish to their wall, publish post on their friends' pages, publish posts on their pages, and basically publish to them, you're going to want to enable the setting. It will allow wall posts, friend posts, and page posts. Page access. Along with the publish stream, in order to access a person's page, you need to also enable this. Collect user data. If you want demographics about the user, you need to enable it. Email collection and integration. I personally use Aweber, and Aweber is very straightforward to set up. Others may take a little bit more thought process to set up, since like Constant Contact requires you to actually sign up for an API key and all that mumbo jumbo. But for the demo video, I'm not going to integrate anything. Alright, now if we'll go down to user data collection, if you want to enable the user's to actually pull from the user his or hers relationship status, like single or engaged or widowed or married, civil union, whatever it is, you want to enable it. The user birthday, if you want to know the user age and birthday, you need to enable this. The user location, if you want to find out where this user lives, you need to enable this too. The user religion and politics, basically, if you want to know what religion they are and what political view they have, you want to enable this. And down to the welcome post, you want to enable all of it, or check off all of it. If you want to post to the user's wall, if you want to, excuse me, post to the user's friend wall, and post to the user's pages. Basically, with this welcome post, when the user adds your app, there will be a welcome post to the wall. There will be a welcome post to their friend's wall. And there will be a welcome post to the user's pages. So this is the welcome post. So when they add the app, all of this happens. You should enable all of it, since like I said, you're buying the App Rocket for this power and nothing less. And hit continue. There's a small bug. You guys won't experience this since I'm going to fix it right after this video. If this does happen to you, go back to edit where it says a blank app. Basically input those settings again. It doesn't take that much. Sorry about it. I didn't mean for this to happen in the video, but it's like really late at night and I'm trying to get things, fixed. Alright, now it's working. Basically, what with the welcome post, it's step 4. You might want to know what happens to step 3, since I did not allow an integration service. It skipped the step 4. So the welcome post, you have a few options here. There's going to be a new feature called picture, where it actually puts a picture on the user's post, but for right now it's not enabled for app creation, but it will after this video, after I fix everything. So if you want to change the user status, you want message, like this is a status change. But if you want to share a link and you actually want a custom title and description, There will be a picture right here, actually above here, to show you in the future, but for right now you just have to test it. Description, link, and title. This is the title to a link. This is the description of the link. There would also be a picture, and there would be right here, it says picture. If you want to change that picture, it will be simple. Title, you can be like, hey, percent name percent. This is our feature that actually changes this segment right here to the actual user's name. So it'd be like, hey Eric, what's up? Hey Susie, hey Bob, you know, something like that. And link BHCP, I don't know. For a demo, I'll put Google. Alright, so I'm pretty satisfied with this. Yes, I am. I'm whatever. Alright, for a friend post, you can actually, yes, the same as the wall post. Same with the page, yes, the same as wall post. Or if you want it different, you can edit yourself, but for the demo, I'll just have it the same. So hit continue. And this leads us to our final step of creating an app. You want to select this code. This is the small snippet of code I was talking about earlier. Cut it. Go back to your cPanel with that open tab. Hit create new file. This is a mandatory file name. You need to call it index.php or it will not properly work with your subdomain nor the app rocket. So create the index.php. Hit edit file. Hit edit. And easily paste that code and hit save changes. You have just created your app. It's simple as that. If you want to go to it, experimentzz.com, Yahoo. And as you can see, look at that Yahoo demo app. Go to app. When a user adds it, the welcome posts kick in. I'm not going to add it just because I don't want to actually post on my wall since I'm logged in. But alright, now let's talk about editing your app. Editing your app is really simple. Go to app, select the title that you want, hit edit. That is it. You are now in the edit app. You can edit the permissions, the email, the user data, the welcome post settings. If you did integrate, there will be an integration window right here. Welcome all posts. You can actually see the picture feature right here. You can actually change the picture feature. It will be on the app edit soon after I fix that little bug that we had. And the hosted code, if you ever lose the code, just copy and paste it to the index. To delete an app, you have to message me actually. I have to review to make sure that the app is actually, you have a valid reason to delete the app. I don't want spammers to be like, oh, I need to delete the app for evidence, get rid of that. So it's a little review. If it's like you need to delete it for a reasonable, reason, I won't like not delete it. I'll delete it for you. I mean, just be legit and you're a-okay. So this concludes the first video of the App Rocket training session.